We divide 197 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 7. So now it became 17 and 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we got 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 197 divided by 2 is 98 decimal 5. This much for today and thanks for watching.